lesson and healthy morning to all. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Dear kids, now in academic today we will revise again small cursive letter M. M, mango. M, mango. But before first we will learn A to L again. Okay, we will revise again A to L in sequence. Okay, so let's start. A, apple. B, ball. C, cat. D, dog. E, elephant. F, fish. G, grapes. H, hat. I, ice cream. J, jug. K, kite. L, loin. Now we will revise again. Small cursive letter M. M, mango. Dear kids, first of all we will learn date and day. And what is the day today? Today date is 8. Which month is going on? July month. Which year is going on? 2021. And what is the day today? Today day is Thursday. Today day is Thursday. Here we will write CW classwork. Okay. Now let's learn how to write small cursive letter M. M, mango. Look here children. So many pictures are there related to alphabet M. So let's revise. M, milk. M, milk. M, mouse. M, mouse. M, mountain. M, mountain. M, mirror. M, mobile phone. Yes. M, mobile phone. M, mat. M, moon. M, monkey. M, mango. M, mug. M, mug. M, magnet. M, mask. M, mask. M, man. Very good children. Now let's revise it. M, mango in written form. Okay. So dear kids, open your English notebook and pencil and write down the date and day on the top, classwork also. Now we will write topic, say and write M, mango like this. Okay. And now start. Put your pencil on the dot like this. First you have to draw a slanting line. Touch the black line. Come down. Go up, make a turn. Come down, go up, make a turn, and little bit turn like this. This is M. This is the formation of M. M, mango. Once again, put your pencil on the dot, make a slanting line up, touch the black line, make a standing line, down, go up, make a little curve, come down, go up, make a little curve, come down, make a turn like this. So this is M. M, mango. Once again, slanting line, slanting line, standing line, go up, make a turn, come down, go up, make a turn, come down, and make a hook like this. So this is the formation of small cursive letter M. So dear kids, This is your English work. Okay, you have to write in your English notebook in neat and clean handwriting. Okay, bacha. Now moving on to second subject, which is Hindi, in which we will revise again व्यंजन त. व्यंजन त. त से तरबूज. त से तरबूज. त से ताला. त से ताला. त से तिकोन. त से तिकोन. त से तकिया. त से तकिया. त से तरबूज. त से तोता. त से तकिया. त से तबला. त से तबला. Now children, we will learn how to write व्यंजन त in written form. Okay. त से तकिया. Okay. Dear kids, don't forget, mention the date and class work on the top. Okay. Now we will write here व्यंजन त. व्यंजन त. So first you have to draw a sleeping line like this. Standing line. Standing line. Come down, 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 down. Stop. Go up, go up, go up, go up. Make a sleeping line and come down, come down. Yes. This is व्यंजन त. व्यंजन त. इसको हाफ कर्व भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है, ये हाफ कर्व भी कह सकते हैं इसको. ओके. ओके, वंस अगेन. First you have to draw a sleeping line, then standing line, down, 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 down. Stop. Go up, go up, go up, go up. Make a half curve like this. Yes, this is व्यंजन त. This is व्यंजन त. Once again children, sleeping line, standing line, go up, make a half curve. This is the formation of व्यंजन त. Dear kids, आपने ध्यान रखना है इस लाइन के, ये जो लाइन है ना ब्लैक वाली, मिडल वाली, इसके थोड़ा सा ऊपर जाना है हमने. ठीक है. लुक है, देखो मैम ने लाइन के ऊपर स्लीपिंग लाइन नहीं लगाई है. इस लाइन के थोड़ा सा ऊपर गए, यहाँ से टर्न किया, फिर नीचे आ गए. ठीक है. सो ध्यान रखना है आपने. ओके. सो दिस इज योर हिंदी वर्क. यू हैव टू लर्न एंड राइट व्यंजन त. ओके चिल्ड्रन. नाउ लेट्स रिवाइज जीके क्वेश्चन आंसर. ओके. हाउ मेनी फिंगर्स डू यू हैव? आई हैव 2 fingers. How many eyes do you have? I have 2 eyes. Which part of the body do you hear with? I hear with my ears. I hear with my ears. Next question. How many hands do you have? I have 2 hands. I have 2 hands. Next question. Which part of the body do you walk with? Which part of the body do you walk with? Yes, I walk with my legs. I walk with my legs. Next. Which part of the body do you smell with? Answer. I smell with my nose. I smell with my nose. Next question. How many toes do we have? We have 10 toes. We have 10 toes. So dear kids, this is your GK work. Okay. You have to learn GK answer. Okay, bacha. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay healthy.